So today I'm actually doing Kalia's hair. Her hair is freshly washed, but it is really dry. So I'm going to wet it up with some water. And the products that I will use today is... Oh, I love you. So the products I will use today is Dollar Curl Clubs leave-in conditioner. And I will also use the Twist and Define cream. So today I'm actually going to be finger coiling her hair with a side part. So let's get started. So to finger coil her hair, all I'm doing is just wrapping her hair around my finger nice and tight until I reach her ends. And in order to prevent causing her any pain or pulling on her roots too much, I'm just moving my fingers down her hair and holding it just like so, as you guys can see, until I am done finger coiling. That is all. This hairstyle is nice, super cute, it's super simple. It may be time consuming, but it's definitely worth it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and hit that bell so that you guys are notified when I upload my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Say, look, my mommy did my hair.